In a true use Ayala Land pet-friendly community inside Nuvali, which will have a future access to SMU Premier, Xavier School, and business districts of Nuvali. And you can own this property as low as 13,000 per month. This is the construction update of Solana Park Stories, Nuvali. Magandang araw sa lahat ng ating mga viewers, no? Especially sa mga clients natin from US, Canada, Australia, UAE, and sa ibang parts ng mundo. And I am very excited, no, na ipakita sa inyo ang construction update ng Solana Park Stories, Nuvali. We had our groundbreaking, no, just last March, and look at the progress now, no? We are currently on the 11th floor na yung progress natin. Sobrang bilis gawin ng development, no? Because our project is 100% fully funded. Let's explore the development of our project and yung developments din, no, inside Nuvali Estate. Tara, samahan niyo ako. I usually start my drive tour, no, dito sa entrance part of Nuvali, sa Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. Usually kasi pag sinabing Nuvali, ang alam lang ng mga visitors natin yung man-made koi pond, yung Solenad Malls, but super laki pa ni Nuvali sa loob. By the way, no, I am here sa Calax area, no. So pag galing ka ng Metro Manila, ito yung one of the best access na mapupuntahan natin. So Calax ka, mag-exit ka doon, and paglabas mo yan, doon na po yung Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road going to Nuvali. By the way, on our right side, no, is yung Nuvali flyover. So anytime soon mag-ooperate na yan, so additional access po siya sa atin in the future. Dito po tayo ngayon sa entrance ni Nuvali. As you can see, ito yung logo kung saan talaga nagkapa-picture si mga bikers. Diyan din known si Nuvali. And itong part na to is the Nuvali North area. By the way, no, Nuvali is the largest development of Ayala Land in the Philippines, composed of 2,500 hectares. So na-update na siya, no, sa system ni Ayala. 2,500 na po tayo. On our left side is the man-made koi pond. Diyan po kilala din si Nuvali, no. So it's approximately 4 hectares in size. Na doon, no, pwede kang mag-koi fish feeding, pwede kang mag-boating, and diyan din makikita yung Seda Hotels natin. So it's an Ayala brand hotel, no, na magiging accommodation natin pag pumasyal tayo inside Nuvali. On our left side din, malapit kay Seda Hotel, makikita naman po yung Nuvali Techno Hub. So, kagandahan kay Nuvali Techno Hub, no, it's approximately 1.5 hectares in size na gagawin itong parang corporate business offices for the BPO and IT companies. So, especially kung nasa ganito kang industry and taga-south ka, pwede ka nang magstay dito sa Nuvali, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta pa ng Metro Manila to look for opportunities. On our right side naman, no, yan naman po yung location ng ating Solenad Malls. Here in Nuvali, we have 3, which are Solenad 1, 2, and 3. And ongoing na po ang construction or expansion ng ating Solenad, which is Solenad 4. So ano po ba gagawin dito, no? Kung ayaw mo naman ng super open na mall, kung gusto mo naman ng air-conditioned na concept, ito yung magandang option natin. Si Solenad 4, mas malaking mall siya na extended siya hanggang dun sa likod ng Healthway Qualimate Hospital based dun sa plan ni Ayala Land, no, kay Nuvali. Nakagandahan, air-conditioned na mall ito na which connects from 1, 2, 3, and 4. Parang siyang greenbelt sa Makati, na connected yung mga malls. And nakagandahan dito, it will open new stores or shops inside Nuvali. Yan. On our right side, no, is the Landers. This is the 10th branch of Landers in the Philippines. Nakakagandahan dito, no? Additional siya na shopping center sa atin aside from the sa existing na SNR po. And sa part na yan, pag dumiretso tayo, dyan din makikita yung mga commercial in New Valley. Like for example, si Uniqlo Roadside Store with On Green Park. Existing na din po doon yung CBTL with drive-thru, yung McDonald's, and ongoing na din po yung construction ng Jollibee na additional na fast food restaurant po sa atin. Sa part din ng New Valley North, no, makikita din po natin yung SM Yulo Premier. So, the entire New Valley kasi was originally called the Hacienda Yulo Estate. So, it was 6,000 hectares in size and 2,500 of it was purchased by Ayala Land. And dito, no, gagawin ito ni Yulo na isang SM malls na para siyang resemblance ng SM Aura Premier sa BGC. So, it's a high-end SM mall which will cater the affluent or high-end market of the South. And mali-balita sa part din ng SM Yulo Premier, may ilalagay po na National University and IKEA. Na of course, no, additional siya sa atin na mga locators or factors para magkaroon ng market value appreciation here in New Valley. On our left side naman, no, is the ongoing construction of East Block. East Block is 11.7 hectares in size, which is dedicated to corporate offices, business centers, na in the future, mga mid-rise buildings lang ito, no, na after naman ng East Block, gagawin naman po yung katapat niya, which is the North Central Business District or North CBD, na pagkatapos tong dalawang ito, kasama yung part ng Lakeside Evo Zone, no, ito yung magiging BGC natin inside New Valley. So imagine, no, if you are living inside New Valley, hindi mo na kailangan magpunta ng Manila because you have your own opportunities at mga careers na i-open dito sa loob ng New Valley Estate. Dito naman po tayo sa Rotonda inside New Valley, ano? So ngayon, ito pa lang yung access natin going to New Valley Central and New Valley South. But in the future, magkakaroon tayo ng marami pang access ways. So ito, yung unang exit niyan, it leads us to the way going to Casili Road, which connects New Valley and Tagaytay. So approximately mga 15 minutes drive up lang, no, nasa Tagaytay Highlands area ka na. Na hindi mo na kailangan dumaan pa ng Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road kasi in the future, no, magkakaroon ka ng shortcut going to Tagaytay. And etong pangalawang exit natin, yan yung papunta ng New Valley Central. So yan, no, bali after ng bridge na yan, yan yung palatandaan na nasa New Valley Central na po tayo. The first thing na mag-greet sa atin dito kay New Valley Central, no, is the Central Block. So, later, no, baba tayo para mapakita ko sa inyo yung isa sa pinakamagandang developments inside New Valley na also, no, siya din yung pinakamalapit na commercial in Solara Park Stories, New Valley. We are now here at the Central Block, no. The reason bakit merong commercial inside New Valley, kasi ito yung magiging convenience nyo at the heart of New Valley. So, this is approximately 12 hectares in size. Na pagkatapos po ito, no, para siyang Alabang Town Center which will give convenience sa lahat ng mga residents inside New Valley. So ano nga ba yung mga permitted use of this commercial, no? So ang unang-unang ginagawa ngayon sa harap natin, no, is yung the shops. And after naman yan, gagawin naman po or ginagawa na din po ang Merry Mart. So ang Merry Mart naman po, ito yung grocery store natin. Na pagkatapos ito, no, of course, may mga restaurants dito, may mga grocery stores dito, and part of the Central Block, mayroong malaking open spaces na pocket park, no? Now, of course, free siya na open spaces sa high-end commercial natin. And as you can see sa part na to, no, may mga spaces for the commercial area na in the future, it will be sold to the private companies na pwede nilang tayuan ng mga businesses nila. Na ano ba yung mga permitted use nito, no? Pwede siya gawing additional school, pwede siya gawing banks, pwede siyang gawing gasoline station, restaurants, sa lahat ng kailangan mo talaga. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta pa ng Soledad Malls or sa SM Yulo Premier because lahat ng convenience mo nandito na po kay New Valley Central Block. And this high-end commercial, no, is one of the most exciting locators inside New Valley, especially sa mga owners ng Solara Park Stories New Valley, ano. Kasi of course, in the future, magkakaroon ng mga office spaces dito, ng mga workers, na in the future, no, maghahanap sila ng mga condo na parentahan nila na walking distance lang going to their home. aside sa mga developments, no, sa Nuvali Central, we also have in the Nuvali South, which are, like for example, no, yung Rockwell natin, they have developed the 60 to 70 hectares na development doon na bali-balita daw, magkakaroon daw sila doon ng power plant mall na additional mall po sa atin. And of course, magkakaroon din po ng 10 hectares na alfresco mall sa pinaka-T road or pinaka-dulo ng Nuvali Boulevard, na kapag nakatira ka naman kay Southdale and Aberdeen and dun sa bagong project natin na i-launch, no, ito yung pinakamalapit naman na mall sa atin. And of course, no, meron din po doong 31 hectares na play park that has bike trail, garden center, green corridor, pet park, golf driving range, and good news, no, kaka-open lang doon ng bagong event center, which is the Veranda Sunset, na doon, no, pwede ka mag-order ng food mo and pwede mong i-rent out yung place doon with a beautiful view of the sunset of Nuvali. And inside Nuvali, no, we have schools which are Everest Academy, Miriam College, and Xavier School. And not just inside Nuvali along Santa Rosa area, we also have the 40 hectares na UST na mas malaki pa daw in Manila. We have the existing La Salle, and ginagawa na po ngayon ang University of the East, and bali-balita nga daw yung National University sa SMU La Premier, na alam natin, no, yung mga students sa mga schools na ito, maghahanap sila ng units na i-rent out malapit sa Nuvali, by which Solara Park Stories Nuvali is a good option. Mag-drive tayo ulit, no, going to Solara Park Stories Nuvali. So sabi ko kanina, on our right side is the Central Block. Yan yung parang high street natin in the future, no, kasi sobrang ganda ng gagawing commercial dyan. And dito, makikita natin merong mga shuttle stops. Ito yun, no? Yan. So in the future, every 30 minutes inside Nuvali, may mga dumadaang mga estate buses dyan, na parang Korea siya and Japan style, na in the future, hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng car inside Nuvali because they have their own transportation system inside. Yan, ito yung pinakadaan natin going to Solara Park Stories Nuvali, and as you can see, they are having their road expansion or road widening, no? Pinapalaki yung mga daan dito kasi in the future, kapag may commercial dito and may school and may condo, of course, medyo bibigat ang foot traffic. But Nuvali is well prepared for that matter, na lahat inside is naka-prepare na for that situation. On our right side naman, no, is the Xavier School. Ito yung pinakamalapit na school, no, kay Solara Park Stories Nuvali. So Xavier School has a pre-kinder up to grade school, no. Ang nakagandahan dito, ongoing na din po yung expansion for the junior high school building. So of course, no, yung mga students in Xavier School, konting lakad lang na din na po sila kay Solara Park Stories Nuvali. And itong mga greeneries na to, no, sa part ng sa right side natin, this is part of the 120 hectares of carbon forest sites, no, na ito, this is the preserved area of Nuvali na hindi siya ginalaw, no, to contribute sa cleanliness ng air natin. That's why Calamba area has the cleanest air in the Philippines, no. And bukod doon, dun sa 120 hectares na open spaces na ito, naglagay din si Ayala Land ng 50,000 trees, no? And may mga wildlife doon, may mga bird sanctuaries na alam mo, isa to sa mga pinapangalagaan talaga ni Ayala sa mga developments niya. And nandito na po tayo ngayon, no, sa ongoing construction sa site ng Solara Park Stories Nuvali. Tara, samahan niyo po ako para mapakita ko sa inyo ang updates ng ating development. We are now here at Solara Park Stories Nuvali, the first ever pet-friendly condo of Avida Land across the Philippines. We launched this property last quarter, and we had our groundbreaking just last March. Imagine, no? March lang siya na groundbreaking, ngayon po is October, but we are now on the 11th floor ng progress ng ating construction. Napakabilis na gawin, no, because our project is 100% fully funded, na kahit hindi bilhin ang property, automatic matapos po ang ating development. But of course, no, hindi naman na mangyayari na hindi mabibili ang property because we are Ayala Land. It has a land area of approximately 1.7 hectares in size, by which approximately 50% of it is dedicated to open spaces and 50% naman is mapupunta sa ating mga residential. Knowing Ayala Land, no, ito talaga yung trademark niya, yung big open spaces, greeneries, na ito yung pinapromote ng ating project na Solara Park Stories Nuvali. Solara Park Stories Nuvali complies with the Green Building Code of the Philippines, no? Ano ba yung components ng green building, no? Number 1 is the balcony with sun shading. So, low emissive na po yung glass na ginagamit natin na kahit sobrang init ng araw, hindi siya masakit sa balat kasi nafi-filter out niya po yung mga UV rays from the sun. Number 2 is the rainwater harvesting. Meaning, no, merong water catch basin yung ating Solaria Park Stories Nuvali na in the future, kapag umulan ng malakas dito, yung water na makukuha from the rain, no, is gagamitin sa pag-cleanse ng amenities, ng common area, padilig sa mga halaman instead of using the potable drinking water. And yung pinaka-last, no, is the occupancy sensors, meaning, no, sa mga hallways natin, nakadim lang po yung lights. Ngayon, no, kapag nakadetect siya ng motion o pag may naglakad sa pinaka-hallway natin, automatically mag-o-open yung mga lights. So, kumbaga, it conserves energy, no, na ito yung mga components ng Green Building Code of the Philippines. Ano naman po, no, yung mga building features of Solaria Park Stories, no? First one, we have 2 fast-moving big elevators. So of course, no, may mga pets tayo dito, kaya lalakihan po ni Solaria Park Stories yung mga elevators natin. Second one is that we have the emergency power in common areas. We also have CCTV in selected common area, fire protection or alarm system, 2 fire exits per floor, grand lobby, mailboxes, and RFID on lobby doors and boom gates na hindi ka basta makakapasok, no? Kasi para siyang hotel style na puro RFIDs na po ang gamit natin. And for the amenities naman po, no, sa Tower 1, we have the game room, meeting room, and landscape areas. And sa mga future developments naman po natin, we have the adult and kiddie pools, indoor gym, basketball court, multipurpose area, play area, and pet park para sa mga fur babies po natin. We are now here at Avida Land Showroom, no, dito sa Soledad 1, and we are going to feature our 2 model units here, the studio with balcony, which is yung bare natin, and yung 1 bedroom with balcony, yun naman po yung dressed up natin. But before that, let's talk about the standard unit features and provisions ng mga units po natin in Solaria Park Stories Nuvali. Sa ating mga actual turnovers, no, we have the smoke detector and automatic water sprinkler, telephone and cable TV outlet, provision for water heater for toilet and bath, provision for washer and dryer area, backup power, 1 power outlet, 1 for refrigerator, and 1 for lighting outlet. Let's go inside sa ating studio with balcony, ano, para makita niyo po yung actual turnover or finishes ng ating unit. Tara, pasok po tayo. As you go inside, we are greeted by the spacious hallway, no? So maluwag po yung area po natin na ito. And on our right side is our toilet and bath. As you can see, everything is complete na. Complete yung fixtures. We have the overhead shower. We have the provision for the water heater. And po, complete na po tayo. We have the lavatory. We have the provision for the washer and dryer. We have the GCFI outlet po dito na kapag nabasa po ito ng water, it will automatically shut down. And we have the toilet naman po dito sa ating toilet and bath. Sa area naman po na ito, no, yung ating kitchen naman. So sa ating kitchen, we have the existing na overhead and lower cabinet, no? And dito po sa part na to, we also have the GCFI outlet na pwede ka maglagay ng ating induction cooker or lutuan po natin. Na kapag natalsikan po ito ng water and oil, it will automatically shut down din. So everything is complete na. This part naman, no, ito yung nakikita ko na ating magiging living area. As you can see, sobrang lawak pa ng part na to, no, na yung ibang mga clients namin, ang ginagawa po nila, naglalagay sila ng parang partition dito to make it a small 1 bedroom. Actually, no, this property is 26.5 square meters. Malaki siya na studio with balcony sa area. Kasi sa iba, no, yung ganito kalaking studio is their 1 bedroom na po. As you can see dito, makapaglagay ka ng living area, ng dining area, na talagang maluwag pa po yung part na ito. And dito naman po, before going to the balcony, we have the provision naman po for the split type aircon. Ayan, no, sa lahat ng mga units natin, naka-split type aircon na po tayo kasi meron po tayong lagayan ng compressor sa balcony po natin. So punta naman po tayo sa ating balcony. Dito naman po tayo sa ating balcony. As you can see, sobrang spacious na ating balcony. Kung gaano kalapad yung unit natin, gano'n din kalaki yung balcony that you can really feel and enjoy the beautiful sunset view of Tagaytay Ridge and of course the morning sun sa bandang part naman ng Mount Makiling na talaga may enjoy mo yung magandang ambience and view of Solara Park Stories, Nuvali. And nandito naman po tayo sa ating dressed up unit ng 1-bedroom unit with balcony. And dito po makikita natin kung paano ba natin i-design yung unit natin in the future. Tara po, pasok po tayo. As we go inside sobrang lawak po nung entrance natin. And on our right side, makikita po natin dito yung ating kitchen. As you can see, mahaba po yung ating overhead and lower cabinet. So ito po yan. E dito po, naglagay din siya ng provision for the refrigerator. Yan po, So everything inside is, kumbaga, modified na siya, pinaganda na siya. Depende lang po sa atin kung paano nyo siya i-design in the future. Ito naman po yung ating dining and living area, As you can see, sobrang inviting nung ginawang design sa kanya. Yan, mga wood yung ginamit dito, na talaga nagka-complement lang siya with each other. And ito naman po sa side na to, yung ating spacious na toilet and bath. Sabi ko nga, para siyang maliit na needs room. Super spacious talaga ng toilet and bath natin. And kumbaga, konti nga lang yung ginawang modifications dito since maganda naman po yung actual turnover ng ating property. Ang kagandahan po sa ating mga 1-bedroom with balcony, lahat ng units ay corner units. So, ibig sabihin, marami siyang windows na magkakaroon ka ng more access to natural light. So, ganun kaaliwalas po yung ating mga units kay Solara Park Stories, Nuvali. And ngayon po, pasok naman po tayo sa ating bedroom. Ito naman po yung ating bedroom, Meron na po tayong partition and sa actual turnover, meron po tayong door dito. Hindi lang siya nilagyan, for the purpose lang ng ating model unit. And dito po, makapaglagay ka pa talaga ng queen size na bed. And some of our clients, to maximize this spacious bedroom, nilalagyan po nila ng bunk bed sa taas. So dito po, mas marami po yung ma-accommodate ng bedroom po natin. Ito naman po yung access natin going to our balcony. Ayan, grabe sobrang spacious talaga ng ating balcony. Again, kung gaano kalapad yung unit mo, ganoon din kalaki yung balcony na talagang dito mas mafe-feel mo talaga yung magandang ambience of Solara Park Stories, Nuvali. By the way, yung elevation ng pinakalupa ni Solara is 130 meters above sea level. So imagine kung gaano kalamig dito, gaano kaganda ang view, gaano kaaliwalas, na yan yung pinapromote ng ating project kay Solara Park Stories. These are some of the reasons bakit tayo mag-invest kay Solara Park Stories, Nuvali. Number one, of course, location. Again, pag bibili ka ng property, the number one consideration is the location, location, location. It is located in the heart of Nuvali, which is Nuvali Central, and is walking distance going to Central Block and Xavier School. Now, of course, kagandahan dito, you can really feel the exclusivity and accessibility at the same time. Number two is that this property is good for rental business. Bakit May mga nakasurround sa atin na business districts, medyo malapit din si SMU Premier, East Block, North CBD, Xavier School, and the entire Nuvali is surrounded by the industrial parks. That's why Laguna is considered as the number one when it comes to gross domestic product in the Philippines. Ibig sabihin, madaming workers sa Laguna na in the future maghahanap sila ng rental place in Nuvali, by which Solara Park Stories is a good option. Number 3, is ma-position mo yung investment mo sa pre-selling stage. Bakit ba importante na mag-invest tayo sa pre-selling, Number 1 is, of course, hulugan pa yung ating property, that we don't need to shell out a lot of money para makapag-invest sa property. Number 2, Ayala Land usually increases its property 2 to 3 times a year. So especially si Solara Park Stories, Nuvali, nasa early stage pa lang tayo ng investment na alam mo na pagkatapos ng entire development, iba na po ang presyo dito. And sobrang ganda din ng project for the flipping or resale business. Kasi of course, mabibili mo siya ng mababa and in the future, pwede mo siyang ibenta ng mas mataas ang price. And last but not the least, it is located in Nuvali, the largest development of Ayala Land in the Philippines. Lagi ko ito binabanggit sa lahat ng mga presentations ko. In Nuvali, or pag may properties ka in Nuvali, you're not just buying a piece of property on a standalone subdivision or condo building, but what you're buying is the entire Estate. Kasama sa binili mo yung school, yung business districts, na lahat ito ma-experience mo pag nakatira ka inside Nuvali. I hope na-tour ko kayo sa development in Solara Park Stories Nuvali and sa updates ng ating Nuvali Estate. And this is the best time to invest, especially pre-selling ng property. And here in Solara Park Stories Nuvali, you're not just buying the property, you're not just buying the location, but what you're buying is the time. So if nagustuhan niyo po ang presentation at ang beauty of investment in Solara Park Stories Nuvali, you can send a message to my number, that is 0961-462-2138. My Facebook page is The Property Expert, Avidalan by Carlos Steve Singson. Again, this is Steve Singson, your property expert here in Nuvali.